येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। सप्तकांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीना अपराध लक्ष्य क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमाध्वै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। श्याम सुंदर शिखंड शेखर स्मेरहास मुरली मनोहर राधिका रसिकमां कृपा निधि सप्रिया चरण किंकरीं कुरु। नाम श्रेष्ठमनुविशचि पुत्र स्वरूपं रूपं तस्य व्रजं रूपरीं माथुरीं कष्टभाटिं राधा कुण्डं गिरिवरमुहुः राधिका माधवासां प्राप्त यस्य प्रतीत कृपया श्रीगुरु तं नतोऽस्मि। आदेवी काकुभर गदगदयाद्वाच याचिनी पत्यभुवि दण्डवदुर्भटार्ति अश्र प्रसादमबुदश जनश्रुत्वा गन्धर्विकी निजगणे गणनां विधि। अंग श्यामल छटा मंदी कृतेन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जाचु गुरुरुचं पट्टंबर सुश्रिया वृंदावन निवास धाम दामोदरं राधा स्कंद निवेश जलोभुजं धैर्यं स्तुतं दामोदरं। ननी के बोलो मेरे कपड़े रंग दे दो वो दे दें बोलो बोले महाराज थोड़ा मेरे से उसका रंग दे दो। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances to the lotus feet of my spiritual master, Om Vishnupad Ashtotra Satsumad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtotra Satsumad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtotra Satsumad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Sri Gaurganda Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila Prishna Vishnupad Ashtotra Bhakti Vedanta Srila Madhusudana Maharaj and all devotees. And so just I want to speak about Madhusudana Maharaj who departed from this material world in 4th of October and evening time about 6:30. So he is my very dearest and nearest, and also he was the actual all the nearest and dearest of the Vaishnavas, especially Gurudev, so much loved him. And when he was in Navadvip Dham, Gurudev Srila Goswami Maharaj gave him so much love and affection and always glorified to about him. So Madhusudan Maharaj, he very humble. And Tinad Bisuni Taruva Srishna, Omanina Manadina, Kirtaniya Shadahari. And Srila Madhusudan Maharaj, and he is called the embodiment of the Tinadavi Sunit slokas. And if you read Chaitanya Tikshastakam, second, third verse, Tinadavi Sunijena, Taruva Srishnata, Srishna, Omanina Manadina, Kirtaniya Shadahari. This is the perfect example and the embodiment of Tinadavi slokas that is called Madhusudan Maharaj. And always he engaged his service, temple service, Gurudev service. And I never saw him. He also to angry upon someone. I did not see. And I personally also 1.5 years staying with him and serve his lotus feet. That was my great fortune. And then I have come with Gurudev. That means Gurudev Nan Goswami, he brought me Mathura, Navadvip Dham to Vrindavan. But every year when I used to go and also meeting with him and staying together, so many pastimes, and I remember. Just I want to tell about Madhusudan Maharaj and life briefly about his life history. Madhusudan Maharaj, he was born in Pichalda, and where the Padapit of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Bhakti Pragyan Krishna Goswami Maharaj, he also established very nice, beautiful temple in that village, Pichalda. Maybe you know the in Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also mentioned in Pichalda the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Padapit. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he proceed to Navadvip, to Jagannath Puri, that in one night, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Pichalda. And you read Chaitanya Charitamritam, the journey of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Navadvip Dham to Jagannath Puri. So Pichalda is very important place. For this regard, Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, he also established one temple. This is the remembrance and smaran of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Padapit. And this is also belongs to also Brajamandal, Gaura Mandal Parikrama. Whole Brajamandal Parikrama, when you perform whole Brajamandal Parikrama, Navadvip Dham Parikrama, that then you have to go that place also. And when I was small boy, and sometimes I used to go there in temple, but I was not belongs to that temple because that time was very small boy, and sometimes young age I used to go there. And but when I was small boy, I also every year used to go in there because very close to Pichalda, there is one also village, I forget the name. Every year the big festival, 7 days, and one festival, Gramin festival, village festival, is going on there. So when I used to go in that the village, I forget the name of the village. Nearby there's the village where a nice festival was going. Maybe later I will remind and tell to you. So when we every year used to go that village festival and have to also take darshan. So Pichalda Gaudiya Math this way. So Srila Madhusudan Maharaj, he was born in high class Jamindar family. His father has a lot of wealth of money, as like Raghunath Das Goswami's father. And but when I think he has two brothers. One name is also his name. Actually, his house name was Kanai, and his elder brother name was name was Satish. So when Kanai Prabhu, that means Madhusudan Maharaj, Madhusudan Maharaj, when he was only 7 or 8 years old, then his mother died. I heard from my mother this mention. Then my mother also nourishment to him. Sometimes he used to come in our house and staying in our house also. And my mother also looked after him as like his own son also. Just I heard from my mother. And actually, he's my uncle in the side of my father's called mother sister son. No, mother sister, no, father sister. father, sister, son. That is my, this is the relationship that is called what is Pisima, Uh, so maybe you can also listen when last year it just the last now the parikrama when we also came so much kind. And he told his life history one by one word. Also, I explained in English because he spoke in Bengali, and then I also uh, explained in English. And so this is this you can see. So then he then he left his house and he came in Navadvip Dham, and he came Navadvip Dham with another two persons, like Kanai Prabhu, who is the best singer in Devananda Gaudiya Math, and so our Sesai Prabhu, and just 3 years before he left his body also, Sesai Prabhu, Kanai Prabhu, and Madhusudan Maharaj, and they're almost there and same ages, and so they left their house and stay in Devananda Gaudiya Math and took shelter a little bit of Bhakti Pragan Kesab Goswami Maharaj. And Kesab Goswami Maharaj gave in Harinam Diksha. And he also uh, engaged him to different service. And he learned all Shastras, especially he learned Sanskrit. And also he admitted on school and he became that time metric um, um, degree, and he was very first boy in the school. Even also in Sanskrit college, he also become very first boy, and he got the scholarship. And when I also joined, and still I saw, and he got the teacher pension from government, and Bengal government, that is called our Chatuspati, Devananda Gaudiya Math Chatuspati. So he told just his life history. That Param Guru Maharaj, that time also Trivikram Maharaj, he was the temple in charge in Devananda Gaudiya Math, but temple in charge in Devananda Gaudiya Math, um, Sri Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, but he could not to maintain the temple because uh, uh, many kinds of problems, especially in financial problems. Then Bhakti Pragan Keshav Goswami Maharaj gave the in charge to Madhusudan Maharaj, that is Krishna Kripa Brahmachari. But Krishna Kripa Brahmachari is very humble and always serviceable mood and engaged to serve himself. I saw he did not to ask anybody to serve these things. He performed his own duties. Apani achari. As like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, যে আপনি আচরি জীবের শিখান আপনি না কইলে ধর্ম শিখানো না যায়. One who not perform bhajan sadhan himself, he cannot to engage to someone that same bhajan and sadhan. In the same way, Srila Madhusudan Maharaj, I saw, he completely also absorbed in this mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I saw he himself to fighting the cow dance and Govardhana, and he also sometimes cooking, sometimes also worshipping Thakurji, because sometimes Brahmachari become very sick. Then he also going to the temple and worship Thakurji and in our Devananda Gaudiya Math. I saw him, and he also cleaning the temple, just putting one gamcha, and he also and cleaning and sweeping everywhere. I saw always about many hours. He also absorbed how to serve. And my mother so much attached with him. For this regard, every year, and when he was physically good health, every year he used to come in Navadvip Dham, and he specially mentioned and glorified about Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and glorified about Madhusudan Maharaj, and that time his name was Krishna Kripa Brahmachari. Before attend in Devananda Gaudiya Math, I never used to come. But when my mother every year used to come and to glorify about Madhusudan Maharaj, then I so much inspired. I have to go Navadvip Dham and to take darshan is respected. Actually, he was great devotee, Mahabhagat. Very few persons they know him. Many times also Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj told the very few persons know his heart. And he was very, always he was quiet, calm and quiet. So now coming in this way, when he became the Math in charge of the Devananda Gaudiya Math, that time Bhakti Pragan Keshav Goswami Maharaj and told him, if all my sannyasis and brahmacharis left this temple, but you should not leave my temple. And because why I'm saying these things, because when something has happened in Devananda Gaudiya Math and also Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti Trust, something these things, and that time many things happened. So that time Gurudev also came this way, and Gurudev also asked him, you have to come and join with me. That time he told Maharaj, I promised my Gurudev, गुरुदेव को मैंने वचन दिया, और गुरुदेव को मुझे शपथ करके कहा, गुरुदेव made me the oath vow, if anybody leave, if everybody leave the temple, but you should not leave, or you stay in here. For this regard, I cannot go away, because Guru Vakka, Guru Vakka, again Guru Mukha Padam Vakka Chittete Koriya Oikka Arna Koriya Mone Asha. So Narottam Das Thakur saying the same way, he told, always I followed my Gurudev. But he has completely neutral about these things also. And even sometimes also he used to come Navadvip Brajamandal Parikma and staying in our Mathura Math, Keshavji Gaudiya Math, where I am living this room. He was staying, and he was laying down. He was sleeping on my bed, or I was sleeping in ground. So and he was very simple, and so and with all Vaishnavas, Gaudiya Vaishnavas also loved him, and he was always neutral. He is not taking any politics, but not going to this side, that side. He is always absorbed his own bhajan and sadhan. And so Madhusudan Maharaj, and so kind in this way, and so, and he also has so much tattva siddhanta. He has vast of knowledge in tattva siddhanta. And just few years before, I think which year I can't to forget. Now I forget that year. He also came in Mathura in Radhastami, and Gurudev also gave order to him about explain about Srimati Radhika, Radha Tattva. Then he gave so many Sanskrit slokas and examples from the Shastra, and so many ingredients, and and quotation many slokas. And then Gurudev also very charmed his Hari Katha. And so I remember, and he was always in there. When I was staying with him, and always he also, when he has little bit time, and then he also reading and chanting holy names. I don't know, he also slept not more than um, 2 or 3 hours. And 21 hours, most of the 21 hours, he also engaged to service, different service, and in this way. For this regard, everybody loved him, and no one is any enemy. And, but he did not also see to anyone to his enemy. Mukta Mahabhagavad means is what? This is the thing. কাহার নিন্দা পারে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলে অজয় চৈতন্য শেখ যিনি বেশ বলে he did not to he did not criticize to anyone. Uttam Bhagavad, and always absorbed in sadhan and bhajan. And when I was in Navadvip Dham, and 1.5 years, I also got the golden chance to service his lotus feet, because I saw these things. And he was very skinny, and sometimes he also felt pain, liver pain, and sometimes he did not eat, just he ate some pop rice, little bit. And I saw him. And if anybody is to come, then he also cook for them. And even 1 p.m., 1 a.m., and that is Madhyaratri, midnight, if any guest will come, he also took care to everybody. And so kind in this. For this regard, everybody loved him. And Seva stuff. For this regard, Bhakti Pragan Keshav Goswami also gave his title Seva. I just what is his name? Seva Ratna or Seva stuff, something this. And always he was engaged to service. And so Madhusudan Maharaj, and I also learned many shastra from him also. And I learned also he gave class about Harinamrita Vyakaran, Jiva Goswami Pad, Harinamamrita Vyakaran, and the grammar of Jiva Goswami Pad, Harinamamrita Vyakaran. Because the Sanskrit, very in Sanskrit, you have to learn Harinamamrita Vyakaran. So he also used to give class Harinamrita Vyakaran grammar of Harinamrita Jiva Goswami Pad, wrote the Panini Vyakaran. In the same way, Jiva Goswami Pad, he wrote one grammar in Sanskrit, that is Harinamamrita Vyakaran. So Madhusudan Maharaj, he gave class about Harinamamrita Vyakaran, and then he also inspired me to come in Mathura. Actually, and when I took Diksha, and that time other sannyasis, they also told I have to take charge of press in our Devananda Gaudiya Math, press in there, or in maintenance in there, something this press work and something this, but Srila Madhusudan Maharaj, he told, it is better you have to go to Navadvip in Mathura and stay with Maharaj, and then you have great golden chance to learn Shastra, and also you will get the golden chance to read in Sanskrit. So he inspired to me to come in Mathura. So when I read Raghunath Das Goswami, these slokas, Nama Sestam Manupi Suchiputta Sarupam, Nama Sestam Manupi Suchiputta Sarupam, Rupam Tasabujam, Mathurim Gustavadi, Radha Kundam Grivar Moho, Radhika Madhavasam, Prapta Jasta Patita Kripaya, Siguru Tamna Tosmi. Raghunath Das Goswami, he wrote these bars about the glorification about his Guru, Jadunandan Acharya. In the same way, And this slok I really applied myself. And by the causeless mercy of Madhusudan Maharaj, and I took shelter, let us speak of Srila Nan Goswami Maharaj, and also received Diksha Mantra from Baman Goswami Maharaj, and I took sannyas from Srila Nan Goswami Maharaj, and Srila Nan Goswami Maharaj, very kind, he also brought me uh, Navadvip Dham to uh, Brajamandal Dham. Uh, so, and then I am, is, then since 83 or 84, I am staying in Mathura, and and sometimes also used to go Vrindavan, Govardhan, and so also got best opportunity to travel all over the world. And and Gurudev also, when Gurudev gave me sannyas, he declared, and I gave him sannyas to Ban Maharaj because he will be preached in Western country, Videsh Prachar. And he may be listen from this lecture from Gurudev openly, he also declared. So for this regard, and if I used to go Western country and only few months, maybe 2 or 3 months, and I am staying in India. And since from my uh, travel from 80, 90, 97 to now, now is something for this has happened. That means that Mahamari is going on. And Corona virus for this regard. And almost 6 months I am staying in India, and I am staying as like jail. And I cannot move anywhere, so my mind sometimes will be disturbed. This is true because I cannot travel just in my room, and it is going. Sometimes you used to go Vrindavan, sometimes you used to go not what is called Govardhan, not so sometimes because very few times. So mind is very disturbed. Uh, 23 years I traveled all over the world, and with Gurudev, also alone myself, and Holland, Germany, France, and Spain, and all the most of all the European country I traveled. I traveled Brazil, and and also in many countries also in USA, America, and England, Australia, and also Malaysia and Fiji, and many countries. I also in Philippines, and how many countries, and I think more than and 50 or 60, more than 50 countries. I travel and and try to preach and bring in our Krishna consciousness. And so for this regard, I'm saying how Madhusudan Maharaj, he also inspired to me to come to Mathura, and I received the mercy from Gurudev. This is and the mercy of Madhusudan Maharaj. And Madhusudan Maharaj, he also talked with Srila Gurudev and Nan Goswami Maharaj. And Gurudev is very kind. He also brought me. Immediately he brought me and Navadvip Dham to Mathura. And actually I came in Mathura for learn Sanskrit, and, but unfortunately I did not admit in the Sanskrit college in here Mathura, and because that time one Maharaj he became very sick, who collected the money from maintenance of the Mathura temple. Then he left his body. Then Maharaj gave me chance and to serve this service, collecting service, distribution, the books, and going to the Brajavasi's house, collect different things. And for this regard, I engaged. For this regard, I did not and admitted in Sanskrit college in Mathura. And but Gurudev told, don't worry, and you serve Guru and Vaishnava, then automatically all your knowledge manifested in your heart. And so for this regard, Guru Bhakta Vishwas, I have faith in the lips of Narayan Goswami Maharaj told. For this regard, I did not and take attention how to more learn Sanskrit. পড়িয়া শুনিয়া লোকে গেল ছাড়ে কারে, বঞ্চিত হইল সে কৃষ্ণ মহা মহোৎসবে। Gurudev always told this verse, পড়িয়া শুনিয়া লোকে গেল ছাড়ে কারে, and one who engaged to his acquired the knowledge in scholarship, and then he will not attend Krishna Mahotsav. পড়িয়া শুনে লোকে গেল ছাড়ে কারে, বঞ্চিত ছিল কৃষ্ণ মহোৎসব। So no need, so Gurudev told no need to give attention and to learning in Shastra. It is best to serve Guru and Vaishnava. For this regard, I also engage my life to serve Guru and Vaishnava according my adhikar qualification. And then Gurudev is very kind. He also gave instruction to how to cook and how to worship Thakurji, how to fire sacrifice to Thakur and Jagna. Gurudev himself also engaged to me, and sometimes Gurudev also gave class Jaivadharma. I think 5 years he gave Jaivadharma class continue. He also gave class about Sandarbha, Tattva Sandarbha, Krishna Sandarbha, and Priti Sandarbha. Just to remember. And so for this regard, I am from that year. I am staying in here, and I am engaged engaged to serve Lotus Feet of Guru and Vaishnavas. And so for this regard, many people also, or many devotees ask me, why you are so much traveling and around the world. Sometimes Gurudev also joked and laughing. I am not traveling whole world, many places I did not go. But Ban Maharaj, he used to go many places, and he spoke my katha and give the evidence my katha. Gurudev also joked, and Gurudev also told this. And sometimes he told, oh, I don't know these things, but Ban Maharaj, he knows. And so আমি যত নানি স্বরূপ তত জানি, as like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, told to Sarup Damodar, I don't know this section or inner meaning of this verse, but Sarup Damodar, he knows. In the same way, sometimes Gurudev also used these words, and Gurudev, he knows everything, but this is his humility, Daina. And so Gurudev was so kind, and I also get and to serve Gurudev, to serve Gurudev, massage his lotus feet, and also cook for him, especially when I traveled with Gurudev in Holland, Germany, France, Italy, and when Gurudev was staying in there few days, and that time also got service and lotus feet of Gurudev. And maybe all you know, especially when Gurudev was staying in Holland, and that time I also cooking for him. And when Gurudev was staying in Germany or France, also I cooked for him. And night time also massage his lotus feet, and I also did many also fire sacrifice. And understand, when Gurudev gave Diksha, then I also and fire sacrifice for the devotees, and that is called Jagasutra, the sacred thread. I made the sacred thread and put them in this way. I also did service. And so for this regard, one hand, I also got the great opportunity to serve Gurudev. Then Vaishnava Sevan, Guru Sevan, Vaishnava Sevan. So sometimes you think why I got the chance. This is only inspired by Madhusudan Maharaj. And also I came in Navadvip Dham. This is inspired for my mother, because I told my mother so much attached with Madhusudan Maharaj as like his son. For this regard, he used to come in Navadvip Dham, and he glorified about Madhusudan Maharaj. Then I also very inspired. I have to take darshan to Madhusudan Maharaj. So I came in Navadvip Dham to see his lotus feet. But when I came, then my heart completely melted. And from that day, I also completely surrender Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and I decide I have to not return back my home, and I stay in here. And actually, I did not think I will. And that time I did not think, yeah, I will stay in Navadvip Dham. But when I met with Madhusudan Maharaj and his Bhava Murti and Dibba Murti, and what is called the Vaishnava, and then automatically my heart melted and completely surrender his lotus feet. And he gave me chance to serve his lotus feet also. When I was staying in Navadip Dham, and especially in Navadip Dham Parikrama, and also I got chance to maintenance under his guidance, and that means collecting money and some also mm, accountants, and he sometimes he also use sometimes also he used to give his own treasure key to me, and has so much faith with me, and, and many brahmacharis also staying with him, but he did not give his treasure key to someone. But when I came, and he has so much faith with me, and he also gave me the key of a treasure key, eh, which he always used on his secret thread as like this way. But but he so much trust and Viswas, faith with me. For this regard, he gave me the key, the treasure key to me. Hmm? And I also serve this way. Honestly, I trust serve to Vaishnavas and love and affection. Sometimes also he also engaged me to service to Thakur Seva. In 6 months, I learned to how to cook, and 6 months I also learned from him how to worship Thakurji. Actually, this is the standard and education in our Devananda Gaudiya Math, very proper way. After taking Diksha, first 6 months, you will have to cook, proper way to cook. Because Devananda Gaudiya Math is very strict. Those who are not received Diksha mantra from Guru, they are not and allowed to come in kitchen room. You understand? Nowadays difference, but that time also. If you not receive Diksha mantra from Guru, that if you have not sacred thread, you are not allowed to come in kitchen room. And also 6 months, I also served Thakurji. I mean 6 months I served Thakur Seva, and 6 months I cooked for Thakurji. And also sometimes I used to go collect money different places, and with brahmachari sannyasis. Sometimes he used to go also and rice collection in Chobis Pargana, you know, and sometimes I also travel with Prajato Maharaj. Yeah, recently he also and to what is called departed from this material world, and also I traveled with Prajato Maharaj and Bankura and Durgapur, Bardhaman, and some places, and he also very kind also. And so in this way, I received so much mercy from Vaishnavas, and this way, and especially Madhusudan Maharaj. And even when I met with Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Siddhar Goswami Maharaj also and asked me, you may stay in our temple. That time also very small, what is called, mm, simple way. I told to him, no, I will not stay your temple, because I will have to stay Devananda Gaudiya Math, because my uncle is there. you know, very simple way. And that time also only 21 years old, just new. eh, and Siddhar Maharaj loved and also blessing to me. Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, so kind also. And every day I used to go his temple, listen Hari Katha from him also. And sometimes also used to go in their temple. He is very kind also. And so Vaishnav Darshan, Vaishnav Kripa, and also met with Gaurganda Goswami Maharaj, and Gaurganda Goswami also gave blessing to me. And so in this way, I received many Prabhupada, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada's disciples, as like Jajavar Maharaj, and, and also I received the mercy from Janardhan Goswami Maharaj. And most of the time he also used to come in Bajamandal Parikrama, staying in our Mathura Math. That time Vrindavan Math were not established. And so Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, he was staying in our Mathura Math. Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj also, he used to come in our Mathura Math, and he's giving Harikatha about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Most of the time he talked about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's and Lila Katha and cried and Chaitanya Bhagavat. I saw most of the time he spoke about Chaitanya Bhagavat. And Janardhan Maharaj, Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, he talked about Srimati Radhika, Ha Vishwabhanu Ha Vishwabhanu. He most of the time used to spoke about Srimati Radhika's many Puran Kathas he spoke also. And this is true also. And I wrote many granthas and just remembering his Hari Katha. And he spoke this Katha I also spoke in this. So I'm saying this. Why I'm saying? Because Namo Seshtang Manuki Sachiputa Sarupam Rupam Tasag Urupari Master Mathura Gostim Radha Kundu Grimu Madhava Prapta Jasi. And so in this way, I applied myself. This sloka is perfect example in my life. Sadhu Vaishnava. But unfortunately, I did not meet with him last time. I had to go whole day. Oh, when I heard he departed from this material world, then that day I was doing parikrama, Vrindavan parikrama, and when I returned back, then I heard and he departed about 7 or 7:30. Then my mind is very disturbed. What to do? I have to go. But I searched the flight, but sometimes our ticket not possible. No direct flight. And these things, many things happen, and you have to go. But unfortunately, and I cannot take darshan. Last he take darshan, and, and because I cannot forget his love and affection. Just last this Navadi Dham Parikrama, so much love and affection with me, and hold my hand and shedding tears. I also pay my obeisances on his lotus feet, and as like he was as like my parents, and I have sitting his own what is called bistara, his own bed, and embracing to him, and he also gave me mala on my gave me the garland on my neck, and with so much love and affection. And he spoke many Hari Katha, his life history. You can see the YouTube, and these things you have to listen to this way. So always I remember to him. So Ahari Koivadu, Kemari Judu, Bhajan Nandan Bina, Hadimur book, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. How can I express my heart and what kinds of feeling myself? No one can listen. So how can I speak and who can listen? In the same way, and in Mathura, I cannot express my heart to anyone because no one should realize his heart. So I remember him. How he was very kind and his kindness upon me. And understand? And he also took sannyas the same day in Devananda Gaudiya Math. That time all we also took sannyas and in the same day in Gaur Punim. Gaur Punim also, Gaur Punim, all we also take, they also took sannyas. 2000 and 2000 and we also took sannyas.
One moment, please.
In 2000 also all we took sannyas. Sometimes also thinking, how is, where is Madhusudan Maharaj? Where I am, so he was very kind. And sometimes he also used to come Mathura. Sometimes he told me, oh, I want to go. with you in Western country. I've told him, Maharaj, please come. And I will arrange everything for me. Sometimes he told, okay, maybe I go to Brazil with you and see the Brazil devotees and temple in there. Sometimes he also, okay, I will go with you in Holland, England, and this way. And so, but according his health, and he did not travel so much, and so I remember these things. When I used to come and meet with him, he also told me, oh, I want to go within Western country and preach in there. And we told, yes, come with me. And so I remember many things. And he was so kind and his service mood. And he also gave me so many things in my heart. Just when I chanting, my heart melted and remembering his past. And so now we will have to speak to you, and maybe Krishna will give chance again and serve his lotus stage. And Narottam Das Thakur pasane kutibo matha onoli posibo Gaurangir gunanidhi kotha gele pahare. যে আনিল প্রেম ধন করুণা প্রচুর হেন প্রভু কোথা গেল মধুসূদন মহারাজ ঠাকুর পাষাণে কুটিব মাথা অনলে পশিব গৌরাঙ্গের গুণের নিধি কোথা গেলে পাব গৌরাঙ্গের গুণের নিধি কোথা গেলে পাব যে আনিল প্রেমধন করুণা প্রচুর one who brought the premadhana from Guru Vrindavan and mercifully he distributed to everybody. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he brought the premadhana from Guru Vrindavan and he is all parikars. And so Madhusudan Maharaj is the parikar of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he is very near and dearest all the Vaishnavas. And I hope some also you have seen, met with him, and then automatically his darshan you can realize. And darshane pavitra ei tava gun. Sometimes you read this verse, darshane pavitra karo ei tava gun. And what is the meaning? When we met with him, then I realized what is called the Vaishnava. যাহারে দেখিলে আইসে কৃষ্ণ নাম তাহাকে জানিও তুমি বৈষ্ণব প্রধান. And so Madhusudan Maharaj and so kind, and I want to stay with him, but Krishna did not allow. For this regard, I am very far from him. Now he is in Golok Vrindavan, also Navadvip Dham, and Adhyavadi say Lila Kari Guru Rai, Kono Kono Bhagavan Dekhibare Pa. In Chaitanya Charitamrita also, same Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna Lila is going on. Those who are very high class exalted devotee, they can see this Leela. And so for this regard, all you give mercy, maybe one day I will serve him again, I will meet with him, serve him with his faith. Vancha Kripa, Vancha Kalpatras Kripas Levacha, Padidanam Pavane Bhu, Vaishnavi. Thank you for the kindness to give me chance to speak Harikatha and glorify about Madhusudan Maharaj, who is my uncle, and also this side uncle, also in my family side also uncle, and because he is the disciple of Bhakti Pragan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. For this regard, he is my uncle, spiritual uncle. And also he is my uncle in material world, also my uncle. So very sweet. So here I hope he will give me mercy again and start his to speak. Good Premanandi Hari Hari. Thank you for your kindness. Give me a chance to speak and glorify our lives.
Okay, Gurudev left the meeting. We will meet with the next class. Ananta Koti Vaishnavinda ki jai, Samagata Bhakta Vrinda ki jai, Snita Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.